Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to generate this type of stunning smoky art effect for free. Head over to your browser and type in the search bar bing.com. Then click on the image menu. Then click on Create. Here we have some already created images. To generate images, type or paste your prompt here. The prompt I pasted here, mentioned in the description of this video. You can copy it from there. Click on the Create button. It takes little time. If you want to download, click here. Let's try it again with a little bit of change. Change basketball player with cricketer. And here are the results. Click on the image to preview. Share your thoughts on this. If there is any question, you can ask in the comment section. Make sure you head over to my YouTube channel, where I upload graphic related tutorials. Thank you for watching.